Onovwowo tako wora bono. Hey. Ena. Ware. Losoma. Hey. Owa mote. Vare. Hey. Ozanu yame. Mr. Churchgoer, you cannot deceive yourself while deceiving others. Listen, as many who are saying, thus saith the Lord of hosts, when the Lord has not spoken, oh God, you are worse than pagan. And again, the Spirit has just ministered to me. When the Spirit has not uttered a word, you are not born again, but born against. Onovwowo tako wora bono. Hey. Yena. Ware. Losoma. Hey. Owa mote. Vare. Ozanu yame. Yara. Lorina na Jesu. The adverse of the wise don't count wise at first, but at last. The wisdom in them becomes glaring. Uye nona mona mavo gwariaze, mavo gwariaze. Hey, oye jabo, maje bipe. Hey, you're my better. Hey, what's a lawyer? When God said that Adam disappointed him, Operation Why?
God regretted forever creating man.
Uye nora mona mavo gwariaze, mavo gwariaze. Hey, oye jabo, maje bibaloma. Yoma beda, ezalele. Hey, ozanu yame. When you find a better way, make the way better. The only way to better your Lord is to do a lot better. In the Bible book of Revelation 22:12, tell us what happened, Operation Y.
In Revelation 22:12, the Bible says, "Stand up. Behold, I come quickly, and my reward is with me, to give every man according as his work shall be." Evangelist Tom, now the verse 13.
Now in verse 13 says, "Turn up, I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last." My evangelist take 14.
In verse 14 of that same chapter says, "Blessed are they that do his commandment, that they may have the right to the tree of life and enter into the gate into the city.
Now music.